If you're using a webcam with Ecamm Live, it might be something like the Tiny 2 4K, the Insta360, whatever webcam that you have, there is a setting that you might be unaware of that will actually change the video quality of what you're actually recording and what your audience is seeing on your live streams. Let's just take a look quickly at the camera effects window here in Ecamm Live. You can see that the camera, if I select the OBSBot Tiny 2 stream camera, you can see right now that the resolution that's coming into Ecamm, and ultimately what you're recording at and what your audience is seeing on your live streams, is 1080p at 24 frames per second. Let's switch over to the OBSBot at that. You can see the OBSBot is a decent camera even at 1080p, but we can make the quality much better. So if you scroll down into your camera effects window all the way down to the bottom, you will see something here called Use Maximum Resolution. When I enable this, the camera is now going to be set to 4K, what's being received by Ecamm Live. So let's change that now. And hopefully you'll see a little bit of a difference. I'm going to zoom in and switch this on and off in a second. But if you scroll back up to the camera effects, you can now see that the camera is being received by Ecamm Live at 4K, which is cool. So let's turn this off. I'm going to apologize now, it's going to be super zoomed in. Let's just zoom into this face. Oof, that's not great, especially in the morning. But this is for demonstration purposes only. You never want to be zoomed in this much. Let's now go back to the camera effects and now going to enable the 4K max resolution in 3, 2, 1. Now we're set to 4K, and hopefully you'll see there's a notable difference in the sharpness and the image quality. If we zoom back out now to 4K, on the Tiny 2, in this particular case, you can see it looks really, really good. So that's just a quick tip to make sure that when you are plugging in your webcam into Ecamm Live, that the actual settings is at 4K to maximize that resolution. This will give you more wiggle room when you want to zoom in and things like that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next video.